In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my signature in Pandadoc. We'll walk through how to add your own signature as the sender right inside a document you're working on. This is really useful if you're preparing a contract, proposal, or any form where you need to sign before, during, or after others. Once you have your document open in Pandadoc, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the panel labeled Content. This is where all the different field types live, like text fields, dates, and of course, the signature field. To begin, you'll want to click and drag the signature field from this content panel onto the page. Place it exactly where you want your signature to appear, for example, at the bottom of the document above your name or title line. Take a moment to line it up so it looks clean and professional, especially if you'll be sending this to clients. After the signature field is on the page, you need to make sure it's assigned to you, not to someone else. Click on the field you just placed. A small floating toolbar will appear, and you'll see a recipient drop-down menu there. Open that drop-down and select your own name as the recipient. This tells Pandadoc that this specific signature is yours to complete, rather than one of your clients or colleagues. Now that the field is assigned to you, you can go ahead and sign directly in the editor. Click the signature field again, and you'll see options to draw, type, or upload your signature. If you choose to draw, you can use your mouse or trackpad to create a handwritten look. If you prefer a cleaner style, you can type your name and pick a font that matches your brand. And if you already have a scanned or saved version of your signature, use the upload option to keep things consistent across documents. Once your signature looks the way you want, confirm it, and Pandadoc will place it into that field. You're now ready to finalize the document. If you are the only signer on this document, go to the top right corner and click Finish Document. That will complete the process and mark the document as fully signed. If there are other people who still need to sign, instead of finishing, click Send. Your own part will show as completed, and the document will automatically move on to the next recipient in the signing order.